I'm gonna wash it right there. It's okay? I think I could do 2 at a time. Clean as a vessel. I think I'm gonna take a break from this. You guys will see this in the next video. Finally, this thing's gonna be done. Franken-Surron come to life. But for now, I think today Saturday, we're here chilling. There's nobody around outside at the office plaza, so it's a good day, I think, to wash my bike because I hate working on dirty bikes. I'm about to give this ERIDE Pro the same treatment as that Surron with the motor. So I want to get it nice and clean. First, let's take the battery out. I want to wash the bike with that plugged in. It's not necessary. I want to do one thing. Now we just get this nice and tight with this reusable zip. Just want to make sure no water gets inside the battery plug. All right, let's go. So actually we have it filled because we were going to build some more jumps today. It's too hot today to do that, so I'll just use some mild dish soap. Like a little bit of degreaser in it. And I think we'll take this 5-gallon plus that 5-gallon sprayer. It should be enough. I'm gonna throw the cap on. This water's not going everywhere. So we'll take this. We're going out the lobby. Right? I'm gonna wash it right there. It's okay? Let's see how this goes with the weather. It was starting to rain when I came out, but it seems like it's done now. Anyways, security guard lets me come out here and wash my bike. Usually on the weekends I'll do it because there's fewer people working around here. They will close this entrance off so I can use the whole thing. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wash it today. And here's all the stuff. Here's all my gear. Dish soap and about 10 gallons. And I got my agricultural sprayer. So it's super easy to do this. I mean, I've been asked a lot on how I clean my electric bikes. So I think this is a good time to show you how. First, I'm gonna just get it a little bit wet. Is it raining? Damn. I just want to get all the dirt and grime off the suspension linkage. Get it nice and clean. And down by the motor. Get all that clean underneath there. I won't do too much spraying. I'll clean off the wheels, the hub, the sprocket. Just get a little bit. I'll just get it. Just gonna get it a little bit wet and then start soaping it down. I will avoid spraying like the controller directly. Just, even though it has waterproof connections, I don't really want to get that too wet over there. Speaking of flow wheels, I have a set upstairs in the box. Just waiting for that new bike.
What is that bike?
Not saying. Not saying. Maybe they can guess which bike it is when they see the parts. I'm pretty sure they will. Somebody who knows e-bikes will. I cannot wait to start mounting it. It's going to be a little bit bigger than this bike. More power, but I don't want to spoil it and say what bike it is. But I can show you guys some of the parts that I've been accumulating for it. I just kind of hit everything gently with the rag. We're upgrading our jump park for the e-bikes, for that bike, because it's bigger and faster. And it's definitely gonna need bigger jumps than these little e-bikes. I'll get it nice and clean. Clean the spokes. Clean the nipples. Why are you looking at me weird, man? That's what they're called. Those are nipples. Spoke nipples.
I love
What? The hell did you just say? Keep it clean. Let's keep it clean. Let's keep the videos clean. Just like this bike. Usually I let it get dirty as hell, right?
Yeah.
I don't really wash it. But I'm putting that XLB60 race motor on next after the Surron, and I really don't like working on dirty bikes. So I want to give it a nice and good cleaning. I love this bike. ERIDE Pro is a very nice bike once it's modded. I don't know about the SS 3.0 out of the box, but if you mod your bike, it doesn't matter. You just put an X9000 on it, and it's better because they have a lot of tunability. You can tune the torque, you can tune the throttle sensitivity, the torque ramps, the power ramps. You can program different speeds. It's a lot of more functionality with those custom controllers than with the stock ones. Can you get that off my face, dude?
Sorry.
Get the out of here. All right. All right, this looks pretty good.
Next side?
Yeah, let's flip to the other side. I'm trying to be gentle around the controller. I really don't want to. Sometimes I'll just use like ISO alcohol to clean that. I don't want to spray water on it. Even though it has watertight connections, I don't think it's a good idea. Sure, down here is dirty as hell. I think I could do 2 at a time. I can never get in there to get the hubs. That's always the hard part. You know what I was gonna do, dude? That guy that was out here smoking earlier, I was gonna spray him, pretend it was an accident. Like, see if I can get him to go away. Yeah, probably. I will wipe this off with a wet rag. I won't even spray it there. It's not worth it. I don't want to get too much water in that area. That's where all the connections are. And I didn't exactly seal up that boot. That's not good because they're getting all dirty from all the dirt riding. It's different when you ride dirt all the time because the dirt will get everywhere, all around the motor, the controller. So I have to keep this thing clean all the time. It's kind of a pain in the ass. The street bikes don't really get that dirty. I think I got it, man. Looks pretty good. See, no way. Didn't even use 5 gallons. I don't know why I brought so much, but it is empty. What I'll do is I'll take it off the stand, and I will get all the water to drain out of the bash guard area. Let it dry. Let it drip dry a little bit. I'll start drying it off just from the top down. Make sure there's no water.
And we'll go off with air gun.
Exactly. I'll use the air gun to blow the rest of it off. Well, looks like we're getting cut short by the rain, huh?
Yeah.
Let's get this stuff inside. It's done anyways. Just in the nick of time. It's looking good. Let's get it inside. It's rare that this bike is this clean. Man, is it hot out there. Clean as a vessel. I can use that air compressor to blow off all the water nearby the motor and the controller. Any remaining water. But I gotta turn the compressor on. Yeah, I think that's good. Now I can use some ISO to clean up, like around the controller or the brake rotors. Make sure there's no dirt, residue. Get the rotors nice and clean. And clean any part of the controller that I didn't want to get wet. I think that does it, man. Looks pretty good. So yeah, that's how I wash my bike. It's pretty simple. I've been asked that a lot, so figured I'd show you guys today. I got a big power install coming with this bike in the next video. Really looking forward to that. And yeah, I guess that's gonna do it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.